Bitcoin was being manipulated all along by Jane Street. Let's take a look at what exactly has been exposed, what we can expect moving forward, and what a lot of people are thinking about Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin to 1 million channel, ladies and gentlemen, where I make daily Bitcoin videos going over a bunch of things like strategic reserve updates, treasury updates, price predictions, all sorts of news that are related to Bitcoin. And guys, this is where we're going to document Bitcoin going to $1 million. If you are a Bitcoin holder or someone that wants to learn more about Bitcoin, make sure you subscribe. Let's get right into it. So the markets are doing really well today, and it's actually pretty funny. I'm going to give you guys my opinion on this, and obviously at the end of the day, this is my opinion. None of this is financial advice. Now, I have a very simple strategy for Bitcoin is, consistently buy Bitcoin at low prices, and at high prices, enjoy the rewards, right? Now, with crypto, we can see right here, everything's pumping, right? Bitcoin is up 7% today. We almost hit $70,000 today, which is pretty cool to see. It looks like we might even hit that later today. But what exactly happened? Let's take a look. So, Jane Street. What is Jane Street really doing? So this is an article on Yahoo Finance, and guys, there's a bunch of different tweets and stuff we're going to look at in today's video, a bit of a longer one than usual, but Jane Street is basically facing a lawsuit, which is alleging insider trading that basically caused the Terra Luna collapse. So in 2022, if you guys remember, Terra Luna, the stablecoin and all, there's a huge saga that went on, and a lot of people lost a lot of money, right? It was part of the reason as to why crypto went into a very deep and bearish bear market, but apparently Jane Street played a huge part in this. So the firm has been selling Bitcoin aggressively in US market opens while quietly building a massive strategy position. So this is the crazy part as well. If you guys have been watching my videos, which again, if you haven't, I don't know what to tell you, you guys got to lock in. We've been covering that every 10 a.m. And for I want to say the majority of this year, there's just been a huge crash, like without fail. At 10 a.m. every single day, there is a dip, right? And it's been brutal, it's been annoying, it's clear manipulation. You guys could literally go back to my videos. I literally call it out in multiple videos and I say, hey guys, guess what? 10 a.m. manipulation. Usually it's at 10 a.m., sometimes 10:15, sometimes 10:30, sometimes 10:45. I've seen it even, but it's been a consistent thing, and no one really knew what it was. A lot of people thought it was Binance. A lot of people thought it was, just exchanges coordinating this together. But it turns out it's actually Jane Street. So this is a fresh lawsuit, and guys, this is all kind of like, happening right now. It's kind of breaking news, and they've been dumping Bitcoin, right? Which is crazy. So we could see the charts from December 2025 show this from $89,000, and they go crazy, guys. I mean, they've literally been destroying the Bitcoin market, right? And at one point, Jane Street also held $2.5 billion in IBIT, which is a Bitcoin ETF, which is insane. And they've also been accumulating MicroStrategy stock as well, okay? So a lot of different things going on here, guys. I don't want to talk too much about the Terra Luna stuff because that's kind of just, the past, whatever. Some interesting things as well, though, is apparently Jane Street also has ties to Sam Bankman-Fried, which is also kind of nuts. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. I strongly recommend, guys, go learn more about the other stuff if you guys are interested. I don't think it really ties too much into Bitcoin, so we're going to leave it, okay? But Jane Street, this is their firm and whatever, guys. Yeah, they're just a quant trading firm, right? Pretty interesting, and yeah, I've never really heard of them. Me personally, I'm from Toronto, and if you guys know anything about Jane in Toronto, it's kind of funny how, it's like Jane Street kind of ruined Bitcoin, and Jane Street is like the ghetto of Toronto or whatever. Anyways, I thought it was kind of funny. But yeah, we guys could see, again, there's some more proof here of the 10 a.m. slams, which again, today, the 10 a.m. candle is a massive green move up. So a lot of people are saying that because Jane Street has been kind of exposed, now they're in a lawsuit, that we're not going to see the 10 a.m. Price suppression or price crash anymore, which would be pretty interesting to see. And again, they made $24 billion in a single quarter in 2025, right? So these guys, they have a shit ton of money. They're also a key partner for BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF as well. And again, there's it's just a huge expose going on right now, an expose if you want to call it that, right? Now, other than that, guys, it does seem like crypto is going to have a rebound, but it's way too early to say, right? It's way too early to say that, this is the sole reason as to why Bitcoin was crashing and now we're going to go up only. I would say it's almost foolish to think that this is what's happening. I mean, we've had one day of green after, we're down 21% in the past month, right? In the past week, yeah, we're now up 4%. But guys, I don't think this rally from 62K to 69K really means anything. It's just, hey, you know what? We have some bullish news. A lot of people are speculating that the price manipulation is going to stop. I think it's too early to say that, right? But there is a lot of hope in the markets right now. Now, I want to share this as well. It's pretty funny. Motherfuckers were really blaming CZ and Binance when it was really Jane Street. Okay. Now listen, guys. Other than that, I'm still accumulating Bitcoin at lower prices. I had a couple comments on my video saying, "Oh, Bitcoin's gonna go lower from here. Why buy now?" And guys, I want to be very clear. The concept is very simple, right? We're here to buy Bitcoin to build long-term wealth, right? If we want to go trade, there's meme coins, there's altcoins. You can go trade options, futures. You can go gamble on Polymarket, whatever you want to do. But this is where we're going to be accumulating Bitcoin over and over and over and over again, right? At low prices, you got to realize, yeah, there's a lot of money to be made, right? You could still almost double your money at $69,000, assuming the all-time high of 126, right? So yeah, guys, basically that's what's been going on. We're gonna have to see tomorrow if the price suppression does actually stop. Again, guys, until we see weeks of proof that this 10 a.m. dump is done, I wouldn't really jump into any conclusions or anything like that. But guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.